Right now, your car is secretly bleeding power, and every time you turn that key, you're paying for it. Last month, a guy walked into a shop near me. Sluggish car, low power, bad economy. The dealer quoted him $1,400. I fixed it in 47 seconds, for free. After 20 years in garages, I'm done staying quiet. These are 17 secrets the automotive industry hopes you never find out. Stay until number 1. That single trick is the reason my truck hit 387,000 miles. We start at 17 and count down to what matters most. Every trick, under $20, under 10 minutes. Zero mechanical experience needed. Let's go. Number 17, throttle reset. Your car's brain learns your bad habits and throttles back your engine around them. Dealers charge $150 to reset it. It takes 60 seconds. You turn key to on, not start. Press gas to the floor for 10 seconds. Key off. Wait 10 seconds. Start the car. That's it. One customer texted me, feels like a brand new car. Number 16, intake carbon clean. There's black sludge building up inside your engine right now. Carbon buildup. Shops charge up to $400 to clean it. You can do it for $8. Warm the engine. Rev to 2,000 revolutions per minute. Spray intake cleaner into the air intake. Watch the exhaust. Black smoke pours out. That's years of buildup burning off. Smoother idle. Better fuel economy. $8. 5 minutes. Number 15. Transmission. Fluid truth. Lifetime transmission fluid is a lie. It means until your warranty expires. After 30,000 miles, that fluid turns into abrasive grit, grinding your gears every shift. Don't flush. Partial change only. Drain 30%. Replace with fresh every 10 to 15,000 miles. A customer followed this advice, avoided a $3,800 rebuild. Total cost, $120 in fluid. The next trick is one manufacturers actively tried to suppress because it eliminates one of their biggest revenue streams. Number 14, spark plug gap. Factory plug gaps are set for the average driver, not for performance. A $4 feeler gauge. Adjust each plug 0.003 inches tighter than factory spec. Stronger combustion, sharper throttle, up to 4% better fuel economy, 4% over 100,000 miles. That's $600 back in your pocket. Number 13, O2, sensor cleaning. A dirty O2 sensor makes your engine guess fuel injection. It always guesses wrong. Most people replace them at $80 to $200. Most just need cleaning. Soak the sensor in gasoline 20 minutes. Clean tip gently. Reinstall. You clear the code with a $15 OBD reader. In 80% of cases, problem solved. Number 12, cold air redirect. Your stock airbox traps hot air from the engine bay. Hot air equals worse combustion. You don't need a $300 kit. Open the airbox and reroute the intake snorkel toward the front grille. Cooler, denser air. More oxygen. Dyno tested 3 to 6 horsepower gains. Cost $0. A zip tie, 10 minutes. Number 11, MAF, sensor cleaning. The MAF sensor measures incoming air. Dirty sensor equals wrong data equals weak, rough engine. Check engine light stays off, so you never know. Buy MAF cleaner spray, $8. Unplug the sensor. Spray the wire element lightly. Dry 10 minutes. One mechanic does this every oil change on every car. Easiest $200 service I never charge for. Now you will. If your car has over 60,000 miles, what I'm about to show you is already happening, and you have no idea. This next trick has saved more engines than any oil change ever has. Number 10, fuel injector treatment. Dirty injectors spray uneven fuel, misfires, rough idle, wasted money. Add 1 bottle of quality injector cleaner to a low fuel tank. Fill up, drive 50 miles, every 15,000 miles. Cost $9. The difference between injectors lasting 90,000 miles or 150,000. Number 9, Water vapor induction. Used in aviation since World War II. Controlled water vapor lowers combustion temps, allows more aggressive timing, more power, less carbon. Done wrong, $4,000 in damage. Use only a commercial water methanol kit, under $80. 50-50 water methanol ratio. Lowest injection rate. Never spray freehand. White smoke from exhaust equals stop immediately. DIY, blown head gasket from neglect, $1,800 to $3,500. A $6 strip is the best insurance policy your engine has never had. Number 3. Oil viscosity match. Most people buy whatever oil is on sale. Their engine pays the difference. Over 75,000negotiable on any GDI engine. Shop, $400 to $800. DIY walnut kit, $60. Day,